Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be looking at the Bitcoin chart because we have some very interesting technicals going on the Bitcoin chart, and today we're going to do a full breakdown on the weekly, 4-hourly, and the macro and very short-term time frames as well to see when the bottom for Bitcoin will actually hit in. My name is CryptoKid. If you like these videos, make sure to leave a like. It's completely for free and it helps boost the videos. And if you're not subscribed already, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be updated immediately when the craziest news and craziest price movements in the crypto industry come upon. So without further ado, let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin right now. Okay, so this is the weekly chart for Bitcoin currently, and we can see a huge descending triangle that had formed on Bitcoin since the 6th of June 2022, so this year, and recently on the 7th of November, well, not recently, but around a month ago, we broke down from this descending triangle, which is normally bullish. However, we did come down from a bearish movement, and we did break to the downside because we were below the EMA ribbons and we were below the Lucid SAR, the parabolic SAR, and we did a deep dive back down. And what we can see right here is we're seeing some sort of a dead cat bounce. Now, what a dead cat bounce is, I'm going to show you right now. It is a V-shaped recovery, okay? And as you can see, we're right now making this V-shaped recovery, and what could happen potentially is that we retest this level of $18,744 and then poof, go straight down to $11,877. Now, why $18,877? Because we're gonna go to the, or actually the weekly chart, and I'm gonna show you where the key resistances are. Okay, so first of all, we have the 17th of August back in 2020. So this was the major time where we were touching and hitting this resistance, and of course we broke out of it on the 19th of October. Then we go back to the 19th of around mid-August of 2019, which we were hitting this resistance. And if we go back even more, then we've also retested this resistance a couple of times back in 2018. So it's safe to say that this is a resistance of basically 5.5 years. So we've had this resistance for 5.5 years. That's why it is going to be phenomenal. And if we come back to this resistance, I believe we will get bought up so much here that we will pump back like crazy. So personally, I'm going to set some buy targets later on for this range. So if Bitcoin decides to come here at all, then we won't miss this bottom, right? So but if we zoom in to the weekly time frame a bit more, and I get rid of this, we can see actually I'm going to zoom into the daily chart right now so we can see close up what's happening, right? So this is the daily chart, okay? And the first thing to note is that we have a very strong resistance going on around this price level between $17,260 and $16,750. So this is a very important resistance consolidation zone for Bitcoin. But also, more importantly to note, is that we formed this huge bullish consolidation, this bull flag on the daily chart as well. So if you can't see it, I'm just going to point it out like this. So this is the bull flag that we have been forming for a while on Bitcoin, and recently we tried to break out from it, but now we're getting reduced and retested back to the resistance. Now, if we have a look at our oscillators, we can see that our stochastic is actually going to flip bullish very soon if we close this candle with a bit higher volume. But if we have a look at our MACD, hold on, this is not the MACD, this is the MACD. So if we have a look at our MACD, right, the MACD line is still rising, right? We're still heading up on the MACD line, and however the momentum on the MACD is falling, okay? So this could suggest that we could fall down back to potentially this support here of $16,800 and then climb back up and eventually break to the upside. And if that happens and we go across the EMA ribbons and go across this parabolic SAR support resistance, and then we can head back to $18,700, upon which we can reevaluate. So this is what's happening on Bitcoin. If we have a look at the funding rates on the different exchanges as well, we're seeing a mix of negative and positive funding rates, but it looks like it's more green. So negative funding rates, meaning that the short pairs pay to the long pairs. So it's a better time to open a long position right now, according to the funding rates. And the crypto bubbles, wow, this is crazy. Why is FTT pumping? I have no idea, but there was some news with Kevin O'Leary that he was paid $15 million to become a spokesperson, which is crazy, but I have no clue. I mean why FTT is pumping, but the other alts look very, very nice, and I talked about this in my last video. The altcoins could have their own bull run very soon and break out of Bitcoin's leadership, and alts could have an incredible season. So make sure to check out that video after watching this one. And if we have a look at CoinMarketCap, we can see a bunch of these tokens are basically on sale, guys, and it could be potentially a good idea to be DCAing into these tokens and different coins, which you've done your own research on and find promising, because guys, this is phenomenal times. I mean, I remember myself back when we were in the bull market, I was like, god damn, I wish I bought some of these back in the bear market. Now this is the chance, right? And no one is doing so, because everyone's like, oh, we're gonna go down lower, including me, right? Which we can or cannot. At the end of the day, nothing is guaranteed, but it's always nice to DCA, in my opinion, right? So and if we look at the crypto fear and greed index as well, we're at 26. We're still in fear, and we're not at greedy, again giving us the indication that it could be a very good time to DCA back in. But ladies and gentlemen, that was the crypto update for today. I hope you enjoyed. Again, if you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up, and yeah, take care guys, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.